Hi, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software, and on today's video we're going to be setting up Dropbox to be used with our software to allow you to transfer files between licenses. Now keep in mind this is not supported by Cabinet Solutions and therefore it is use at your own risk. This is just a solution to get your files from one computer to the next computer, or if you're sharing files between locations. So on my screen I do have a job. Let's go ahead and save this job here. Just go to File, Save Job. And we're going to give it a name. We're going to call this Shared Job 1. Let's go ahead and close down Cabinet Solutions here. The reason why I had it up on my screen is so that way you can see that there is a job available that I'm going to be sharing back and forth between my computers. So let's go ahead and open up Dropbox.com. And let's go ahead and download the app. So all we have to do is just click on Get App, wait for everything to load, and then just go to Desktop App and install. Let's open that file. And run the install. Now that Dropbox has finished installing on the computer, let's go ahead and set it up. Let's go ahead and close down out of our web browser here. Once you see the Welcome to Dropbox message come up, you could either create an account on Dropbox.com, or if you already have an account, click on Sign in with Dropbox. It'll take you to the web browser for it, and we log in with the information that we signed up with. After you've logged in with the information that you've created for the account, it'll redirect you to the Dropbox webpage here. Up here, we could actually upload our files on here by just going to Upload or Drop, selecting the file and uploading it, and then making sure that on our other computer we have access to the same Dropbox so we can see that file from there. Or if you have the app installed, let's go ahead and open that up. Again, we go to the Dropbox app, tell it to open. Once the app opens, we need to sign in with our information from our website here. So let's sign in with the app. Since we've already logged in, it'll automatically open the app with that information. And we're going to tell it to keep the basic plan because that's the free version. If you want more information, you could always go back and tell it to sign up for more. That's entirely up to you. So let's go ahead and open our Dropbox. And that should create an icon at the bottom of our screen, but also open the Dropbox folder. Now this is where we actually need to go. So in Cabinet Solutions, you can save the job on your computer, but then what I recommend doing is going to File, Save Job As, and then saving it to your Dropbox folder. So let's go to Dropbox. Click on it. This is something that you would actually need to work out how to save. You'll want to save this in a method of identification of some kind. Let's go ahead and save it with something like a date code. So 2024 11/19. The name of the job, Shared Job 1. And then who edited it last, or their initials, in this case JN. And click on Save. Now that should sync your information to Dropbox, so at least to the website. Let's go ahead and double check here. If I go to the website, close that, there's my job. Now on my other computer, I can also go to the same website, Dropbox.com, or if I have the Dropbox app installed, I open it up from there and there's the job. So let's go ahead and open up that app on my desktop computer. And let's go from there. Now, once I'm on my main computer, I can just sign in with my Dropbox information. Once I'm logged in again, I can just go ahead and tell it open, and that opens up the Dropbox app and sends in the login information from there, and then open Dropbox. So if I open up my Cabinet Solutions on my desktop computer, I should be able to go to Open Existing Job, scroll down until I see Dropbox, click on my file, and open it from there. Now, if I make any changes and I want to save it back to where somebody else can open it, File, Save Job As, give it a different name. I would also recommend saving it on your main computer too, so that way you have a backup. But this way, if you're sharing files back and forth, you're saving it under a different name every time. The reason why is our software was never designed for networking or sharing files. So if both people are accessing the same job at the same time on two different computers, there can be files overwritten, there could be a bunch of different conflicts, you could even lose the job. That is why this is a use at your own risk and is not supported by Cabinet Solutions. If you have any issues with this, we cannot help you. And this is Jake again with Cabinet Solutions Design Software. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 209-836-4077. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for future videos of tips and tricks or previews of upcoming features. Do you have an idea for future videos? Comment below with different ideas or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net and let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you again for watching.